Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft Warren and my old barn door, and I am here to do an unboxing for Your Creative Studios. They sent me a box last year and I did an unboxing and absolutely loved everything that was in the box. It was vintage sewing ephemera, and that's what I used in my vintage sewing flip-flop journal that I just recently made and had in the shop. And I've had a lot of comments on how beautiful it was. So thank y'all for the comments and compliments. I appreciate that. But this is what helped me to make that so beautiful. So let's check it out and see what's inside. I'm excited to see. This one is the September box. This is Your Creative Studio. Get this pretty little card in the box, and then she has it wrapped so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to be gentle and not tear that pretty paper, because you know that can be used for something. So this is the September box is what she told me. So let's see. Let me see what's in here. Okay, this is washi tape. So you know what? I may just cut. No, I want a flap. So let's just do this. Oh, very pretty washi tape. I love, love, love the colors in that. I'm super excited to use that. Okay, what else do we have in here? This is a cling stamp. And I got some sweet little cling stamps last time too. That had like a little sewing machine and some buttons. Let's see. Okay, pretty little flowers. That's gorgeous. And I love that you could, you know, write something in the center. Beautiful. Okay, what else do we have? This is a cling stamp. Ooh, it's a floral, botanical, however you want to say it, which I have some things in the works. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very pretty. And these cling stamps work really well. I used them in the sewing journal, and they worked really well, so good quality. Here's a cling stamp. This one looks like a banner type cling stamp. Ooh, I really like that. That's very pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Can y'all see it okay? I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame good. So pretty. And she has, it looks like she has numbers. Yep, she's got numbers on her cling stamps. So this one, the banner one is 0064. The botanical one is 0065. And this one is 0066. And then the washi also has a number, 0032, for that beautiful washi. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are pretty. Memory letter is what it says. Okay, let's check it out. I love it when people curate kits like this where everything goes together, because sometimes that makes it easier. Oh, it's like a little book. How fun is that? But sometimes it makes it easier to, you know, match your items in your journals. How fun are these? I am really excited about these. I'm just going to do like a little flip through. Hopefully y'all can see them okay, but it's all kinds of different little postcards. These would be great in collage or as a pocket. My brain is going 90 miles an hour because there's so many things that you can do with these. And I like using them in my personal journal too. So that one is called Memory Letter. Let's set this one over here. Oh, Time Fragment Series Plant Drawings. And these look like washi stickers. And it gives you a little image on the back of what all is in here. So let's just take a peek. I'm going to scoot this out of the way for a second so you can see a little better. So you have a couple of those. I love these. I love washi stickers anyway, so I'm super excited to get to play with these. Very pretty stickers. I love the pinks. Of course I do. Y'all know me. I love my pinks. Woo. Well, I'm throwing them now. Love these. Very pretty. I love the little burnt edge on these. That's fun. Some ledger. These are going to be perfect because I'm going to be creating a journal for my best friend with hummingbirds for her mom's passing, so that she can put her memorabilia in there. But also I'm going to be doing some gardening stuff for a journal for my sister. So it's going to be kind of a botanical planting gardening type journal because she just finished building her new house. Just got moved in the week of Christmas. Actually the weekend of Christmas. And so I'm going to be making her a journal and putting some of my seeds from my garden from last year so that she can start her garden this year. So these will be perfect in that journal. So maybe we can do some of that together. So this one is called Plant Drawings. Very pretty. Love that. Okay, let's see what else we have. I'm excited. Alright, these are flowers, Small Town. Very pretty little pieces. I love these little, ooh, I love these little pieces like this because you can use them for everything. There we go. How pretty. Oh, vellum. It's vellum. How pretty are those? Oh my goodness. Love those. So you get 3 pieces of vellum and then you get the actual papers. Oh, and those styles. So you get more than 3 pieces of vellum. Ooh, I love these. Love these so much. Look at that. In different sizes. And then you get the paper version of them. How fun are these? So you get 2 long ones and then you get some square ones. Love those. Gorgeous. And then the paper. And then the vellum smaller rectangles. These are really pretty. Look at those prints. Can you see the prints okay? How gorgeous is that? And then you have the smaller squares. Love these. How fun is that? So pretty. These are good for collaging and stacking or just decorating a page. You can also use these and put anything on them. Very fun. Okay, so that is called Flowers, Small Town. Let's see what else we got. Oh, tiny little tags. How fun are these? Because we all know we like our paper dangles, twisted tangles, whatever you want to call them. These would be super cute on those. Let's see if I can get all of these out. Very pretty. Look at those. I love the gold. Paris. Memory. I love the gold touch on them. Oops. That one's, oh, okay, it's come off the sticker paper. I need to fix that. I'll fix it. Not a problem. Got little birds and flowers. Hopefully y'all can see these okay. I love the labels. So it's not just tags, it's labels too. Super fun. Hopefully, hopefully y'all can see okay. Very pretty. Okay. Very nice. And some of these look like they, yeah, They're washi. Actually, they may all be washi. No, some of them I think might. No, I think they're all washi type. Super fun. Ooh, yay. I'm excited to use these. Okay. These are fun. Okay, so you have little tags and labels in that one. Rub on transfer. Ooh, how beautiful are these? I love the colors in these. And these are transfer stickers. Rub on transfer stickers. I don't know about y'all, but I just recently discovered these in the last year, I guess. I didn't know what they were, and I love them. How pretty are these? I love the colors in them. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay. Those are so pretty. Wow, there's a lot in this box, y'all. A whole lot in this box. And I'm not sure what the cost of them is. I don't know if I'm using proper grammar there. Okay. So these are fun little, I love how they've packaged them with this pretty jute twine. Oh, and it's in a cute little pocket type deal. Oh, that's why it's in a cute little pocket type deal, because there's more in behind. Yum. Oh, cool. They're days of the week. How fun is that? Oh, I love that so much. And then you have some pretty little labels here. Look how gorgeous are those. Very pretty, if I can get my fingers to work correctly. How pretty are those? Yay. Those are super fun. And then you have these, which I love using. These can make gorgeous tags or journaling cards or whatever you want to use them for. I like to use them in collage. There's all different kinds. You get some ledger type pieces, letters. I thought I saw a recipe in there. You got music paper. Very pretty. Love these. These are super fun to have in your stash. Ooh, that's handmade paper. Yum. Parchment paper. Ooh, that's good thick parchment paper. Very nice. These are fun to have in your stash for quick projects too. Lovely. Love that. Okay. And then we have this gorgeous stencil. I'm super excited to play with that. Look how pretty that is with the leaves and flowers. That is going to be fun. And it looks like there's 2 stencils in there. Let me just open it and see. How are we on time? I didn't want this to be a super long video, but oh, there are 2 stencils in here. Look at that. So you get 2 different patterns. Gorgeous. Stencil 1 and 2. So pretty. I'm excited. And the number on this is ST0001 if you want to look for that. Okay, let's see what we got some pretty, oh, I love these stamp style, and these are vellum stickers. A whole little sheet. How pretty are those? And then last, but certainly, no, it's not last actually. Let's look at this one first. Oh, these are cool. Oh, wow. I wish y'all could feel these because they're actually textured stickers. And they're in the shape of stamps. But, oh my goodness, they feel like old vintage, really thick parchment paper. That is super cool. I love those so much. Yum. Those are delicious. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to scoop the box out of the way. This is ephemera, so it contains 24 stickers. Can y'all see that? Probably not with the glare. Is there a really bad glare? Let me try and hold it like this. 24 stickers, 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers. Looks amazing in your cards, journal, spreads, scrapbook, tags, and much more. Okay, let's see. Dimensions are 12 by 21 centimeters. And look at that. That would be a beautiful tag, wouldn't it? You could make a tag or a pocket, or you could get really creative with it. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, I'm in love. Y'all, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. Definitely going to be using this in my sister's book. Okay, you know what? We're going to do it this way. I'm going to slide these to the side, and we're just going to kind of flip. These are so pretty. I love this pattern. I have a napkin too that kind of matches this pattern, so I'm going to have fun with that. Oh, how gorgeous. So very pretty. I'll kind of flip through quickly. This one looks like it's upside. Oh, this is a sticker. Okay, so these are just paper. These are stickers right here. Look at the one with the dragonfly. How beautiful is that? Ooh, I can't wait. I'm going to have so much fun with these. I'm going to use this in my sister's journal for sure. These are stickers. No. Are these stickers? Yep, that one is a sticker. These are different. They're made out of a thicker type paper, and they're a little bit textured. Ooh, they feel really yummy. Can y'all see these okay? Am I even... I'm trying to stay in frame. I'm sorry. I'm trying to stay under my lighting. I've got to do something with my lighting setup since I've moved my... That feels so good. Since I've moved my craft room around, I haven't yet quite figured out my lighting setup. Okay, here's the vellum ones. So I'm going to put them on top of here so you can see. So there's that one. There's that one. Love, love, love the one with the dragonfly. That is so pretty. There's that one. That one. That one. And that one. How gorgeous is this pack? I love it so much. Okay, so you get a whole lot in this box. So you get this little paper pack. I'm going to try and bring everything back in. Get this little paper pack. Okay, that's a little quicker. So you get your little paper pieces with vellum, stencils, stickers, transfers, stamps, all of these little goodies, I mean, you get a lot of stuff in these boxes. So definitely go check out their website. It's called Your Creative Studio, and again, I will leave all of their information in the description box below. So if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will, and I'll see you in the next video. Big hugs!